Hi, this is Jack with Luxury Cruise Tips, and I'm on the Verde up in Budapest right now, right for our cruise. So I want to give you a tour of our stateroom. This is the twin balcony. This is cabin 308. So let's take a look of the balcony, and we're on the Verde. So as you come into the stateroom, you can see that this is a twin balcony cabin. So the idea of the twin balcony, you have a sitting area here, and you can go outside. And there's the balcony out there. So let's take a look at the stateroom. Again, this room is set up here for a queen size bed. As you can see, when you first come in, they have an area they'll put your luggage on. You have your bag, the daily cruiser, and they actually have a brochure here for one of the optional tours they want you to sign up with. There's a mirror on the one side of the bed, and then out here, as you can see, you have light for the twin balcony. Bed is set up beautifully. On either side of the bed, you do have storage. On this side of the bed, which is really nice, there's a clock. I know you wonder why it's nice to have a clock, because every day there's certain things you have to do, and you're in different countries and the times change periodically. There's a lamp on each side of the bed. There is storage in the cabinets on each side of the bed. And then if you are not happy with the pillows you have, you can ask your cabin attendant if you need hypoallergenic pillows. They do have them available as well. Now these cabins are rather large. You do have an area here that has plenty of room to sit. And again, you do have this sitting area here, which is the twin balcony concept. So if you actually want to go and use your balcony, just open your curtain here. And you have sliding doors, and you can sit right here out on the balcony. As you can see, you just have beautiful views as you're going to pass things on the Danube River away. In terms of storage, over here you do have a desk, as you can see. There's Wi-Fi. Now you have your quiet boxes, so these are important. That every day make sure to plug these in when you get back and you take them out with you on tour. You do have USB as well as European plugs. They will provide you 2 bottles of water. Whenever you need bottles of water, just let your cabin steward know and they will replenish them. And again, storage here and over here. You also have these 2 closets. So you have your safe, plenty large, the slippers, and if you need some extra blankets, they have blankets in here. And they have your robes right up here. Also have 2 other closets here for storage. Have hangers, plenty of room for storage, and a shoehorn just in case you need that. Now what you do with your suitcase is once you get in the stateroom and you're all unpacked, just slip that right under the bed and it gives you plenty of room so you don't have to stare at your suitcase the whole time you're here. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. As you can see, the bathroom is fairly large. They do have one of the robes set up for you, so you'll have that out every night. Bathroom has a single sink. There's storage up above the mirror. There's also some storage below the sinks. You do have a shower with a shower door, a rain head for the shower, as well as a handheld. Controls are easy to get to, and there are your bathroom amenities. And plenty of room in the bathroom. And if you need anything extra, all you have to do is ask your stateroom attendant, and they'll bring your other supplies. Your controls for your air conditioning and heating are right as you come in. There are light switches as well. And this again is a double balcony stateroom on the Verde. Nice TV. TV has many channels. One of the nice things again is they still publish the daily cruiser, so you can look every day and see what's happening, where you need to be, what time your tours are, anything about the meals. So we'll be doing a full ship tour later for you, but this again is the double balcony stateroom on the Verde. Now I want to show you around a suite. So let's take a look at one of the suites on the Verde, and you can make a better decision of, do you want a suite? Do you want a balcony cabin? Or what type of cabin do you want on your next cruise on the Verde? Now as you come into the room on the Verde, now this is a suite. You make a left-hand turn, and here you have the sleeping area. As you can see, this bed is set up for a queen-size bed. Again, if you'd like, you can have them set this up as two twins. What they'll do is just separate them and then put the little tables aside in the middle. So let's look at this again. This is a queen-size bed. On this side, you do have a table with some storage in it. You also have some lighting. Over here, you also have the same table with lighting. You also have two USB outlets, and as well as controls for the lighting in the room. And something I like the other room, you do have a clock so that you know what's going on around the ship. You have a mirror here, and the nice thing is you do have what I would call a French balcony. Now there's plenty of room between the bed and the desk. So you have a desk, and on the desk you have a fairly large TV. The TV has movies, it has the schedule of what's happening, and you have, of course, your quiet boxes. So make sure you keep your quiet boxes charged, and you bring them with them on the various tours. So again, there's plenty of room in this area of the suite. Now what you can do is, let's just spin around here. You have some light coming in behind the TV. There are room darkening drapes right here. This is not room darkening, but it does get a little bit darker. Then you have the sitting area. So in the sitting area, as you see, you have a sofa, a love seat, and then right out here, you have a full balcony. So let's see. Here's the balcony. This balcony is much larger than the balcony on the non-suite rooms. As you can see, there is a nice table, 2 chairs, and also some ottomans to put your feet up on so you can watch the world go by laying here while you're on the suite. Now in the sitting area, you have some lighting, and this is where most of your storage is. So as you can see, you have plenty of storage in here. You have hangers, an umbrella, shelves, and also another umbrella and a shoehorn. Another cabinet for storage right here. And in here, you have your robes, slippers, blanket, and some additional shelves. And then over here, because you are in a suite, you have some extra amenities. You have a mini bar down here that they will stock if you ask for a bottle of wine or some sodas, sparkling wine, champagne, they'll stock in there. They also will have ice. The suites do have a butler. I will say this, the butler is very nice, but I will tell you, don't book a suite just for the butler. This is my second time staying in a suite, and I will say the butler I've seen maybe twice during the cruise, where butlers I've had on other cruises have been very attentive with surprises and things of that nature, always checking up on us. The butler has not been as attentive as I would have expected. So the only thing we're missing here, of course, is the bathroom. So the bathroom is larger than the bathroom in a regular room. As you can see, there are 2 sinks, plenty of storage here up on the shelf. And yes, that is a full bath. So it's a nice sized bathtub. You have the toilet area, and then you have the shower. The shower has amenities in it. It does have a rain head in the shower, as well as a handheld. Shower's okay size, no problem getting in here. And again, you do have another robe. So there's all your amenities. If you do want soap, you can ask your butler or your stateroom attendant for the soap. So this has been a tour of a suite on the Verde. There are, I think, 4 of them on board. So feel free to ask for a suite. You'll have a lot of space in the stateroom and really enjoy your cruise. This is Jack with Luxury Cruise Tips. Hopefully you'll enjoy your cruise on Verde, and hopefully these 2 cabin tours have been helpful to you.